In this segment of Gardening with God, we're going to look at carrots. And I just plucked some from my garden to add to my meal, and they're beauties. And I know they're going to taste lovely. Hebrews 11:1 says, "Now faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen," as in a vision. Well, carrots are really good for us. They're full of vitamins and minerals and fiber. They have at least 10 health benefits that I can think of, but I'll just talk about vision today and vitamin A, which is present in carrots in a good amount. It wards off cataracts and macular degeneration as well as blindness. So carrots are very good for our vision, our eyesight, that is. And just a precaution that if you eat too much, which would be a half a cup of raw carrots every day for a month, you could develop yellow on your palms of your hand, on your nose, on the soles of your feet, and even on your knees. So don't eat that much, but carrots are very good for you. And I just think that the best thing that we can do as we go forward every day, Thanksgiving Day today and every day, is to give thanks, because we know we have a vision of what heaven will be like, what God has prepared for us, what Jesus has done for us. The faith that we have will keep us on and keep us going forward. Happy Thanksgiving, belated when you hear this, but God bless you all. Bye for now.